recipe, I have my butter, 2 spoons of butter. I have my flour here. I am using 2.5 cups of flour because I'm using 8. I'm going to be making 8 eggs. As you can see, I already boiled my egg, and I have 1 large egg, raw egg, to mix it. And I have salt. I'll be using half a teaspoon of salt. I'll be using half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll be using half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar because I don't like too much sugar. Alright, and then I have my whole milk here, and I'll be using my corn oil, that's to fry. So yeah, that's everything I'm going to be using. Now I will add all the dry ingredients to mix. So I add all the dry ingredients. I'm going to be adding the salt. I'm not going to use all of it. So now I'm just going to mix it together. Everything is mixed already. So the next, I'm going to add the butter to mix it. I keep it because I want it to be soft like this so that it will be easy. Give it a good mix. Now I want to crack in the egg to mix, and then I'm going to add little whole milk step by step. So the milk I have here is a quarter cup. I'll be adding it little by little so that the dough will not be watery. Let's mix. So I have to work it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So now I'm just gonna leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Cover it up. So now that the dough is resting, let's preheat the oil. So this is why I'm using the pot, so that I can have enough oil to fry the egg roll. So it's time to cut the dough into 8 pieces because I'm using 8 eggs. So now separate them is 8. And before then I'm gonna rub some flour in my palm. So then put egg inside. You wrap it together. Make sure that it's fully covered so that when you are frying it, it will not open. So here is the egg roll. Now I want to transfer it to the preheat oil. So I will be frying it with medium, medium heat till I got the desired brown egg roll that I want. So the reason why you're gonna do it with medium heat is because you don't want it to burst open. You understand? So let's fry it now. So now I will carefully transfer it to the oil. It's medium heat. So here is the egg roll. What you will do, just keep turning it, keep stirring it till you get the desired egg rolling one, like the brown one. So like this, keep stirring it. So here we have our egg roll. Now I want to take it out and put it on a paper towel so that it will dry. Look, brown and beautiful. So here is the egg roll. Nigeria has a lot of snacks, but this is one of it and it's yummy. You're gonna love it. Oh my